Good morning. Good morning, Bosmo family. Okay, yes, I want to remove negativity from my house. Today is Wednesday, okay, September. All right, now Wednesday, September month 223. Now we day so. I want to remove negativity and I want to show you how to remove negativity. I don't do teaching of burn incense to remove negativity, smoke some helps to remove negativity. If you be the type where we say one do all those burning of incense at times and you see and say bad vibration dey your house, negative energy dey your house, just do this and you're going to thank me later. You're going to remove negativity from your place. Why I use big bowl like this now, because of say I want make a absorb them in a bigger way. Okay, you can use a glass cup if you want. You leave this water in the entrance of your home for 24 hours. If you get many room inside your house, what you go do, you go get each bowl. If you're not big like this, make sure say each bowl the entrance of your door. All right, you're going to remove bad vibration, you're going to remove negativity, you're going to remove step back. Okay, now this is my clean water from the tap. Okay, this one, a clean water from tap. Now be this one, and this is my sea salt. Another thing I need, I need vinegar. Okay, yes, any kind of vinegar, whether na your apple cider vinegar, but white vinegar like this is more better. Okay, white vinegar like this is more better. Just tell them say you need vinegar. They had and join food, as you can see. They had and join some salads to eat, and also they had and join house cleansing to remove toxicness. Okay, that's to tell you say we use natural things from God Almighty. We not they use fetish thing, and nature we they use. All right, the natural things we they use. Just tell them say you need vinegar, your sea salt, and your water. Now this is my water here. I'll take the camera close. Okay guys, this is my water here. So I'm going to be pouring some vinegar inside. Okay, I'm going to be pouring some vinegar inside. Now you feel use spoon for this sea salt. You feel use spoon, but me I like to connect with my hand. That's why you see me say I know they use spoon for my things. I like to connect with my hand. So I'm going to be taking half full of sea salt, as you can see from here. So I pour it inside. Okay, through this water you go know whether negative things happen for your house. Leave her for 24 hours. When you complete 24 hours, I think this is after 10 or something. Yes, so after 10 tomorrow, now I'll take remove them. All right, yes, I'll put her for corner of the house. Children don't need to touch her. Nobody needs to go there. All right, nobody needs to go there. And if you get animal, just be careful so that your animal not go drink them. All right, now put her for the entrance of your house. It's going to absorb every negative energy. Take them, go your toilet, flush them, or you carry and go the head, you throw away them, you get to. Okay, the reason why I go flush this now because I won't flush away that negative energy. Not saying that good things I pray for. I want to remove negative energy from my house. So I'm going to flush it. It's going to the zinc. So anyhow you're a chi, God Almighty and your ancestors want to make you take one, no problem. So I'm going to flush this water. I'm going to flush it tomorrow morning. God Almighty, I am that I am. My forefathers, my queen mother, my ancestors, whatsoever be the evil energy that is in this house or that have entered this house, any energy that is not of God that have come into this house, I call you to be with me, and may every energy be absorbed, and let the positive one comes in on a care, on only on a fall. He said, the universe continue to be with me and be with this water. He said, Ashe. Through this water, if you see your mother, you get negative energy. The corner where you keep this water, when you go the next morning or the day where you want to go throw away, check them. If it's still there like that, no muco, nothing, you don't see any sign of branding, or like when you see clean water, you go know water way clean, you go know say this water clean, it just there as I tell leave water way not clean, water way negativity dey the house, and that water don't absorb, and you must see for the hop of the water. All right, now So when you see her like that, say, ah, this water not clean, or see different dirty inside, see different mucus inside. Then what you go do? You'll flush them, redo the process again. Even if it take you 4 times to get that result, do them. You're going to come back and tell me thank you. All right. So guys, I say make I share this with you. See you on my next spiritual video. Bye guys.